Okay guys, I got something special on the plate. I want to show you custom wheel repair at its finest and custom painting. Now these wheels, I'm going to explain to you what we're doing to these wheels. They're not finished just yet, but I want to show you the process. Now these wheels, the machine finish, the diamond cut, the silver part that you see, all of the clear coat was oxidized. It had a bunch of curb rash, and it had a whole bunch of spider webbing in the machine finish. We diamond cut, machine finished the wheels. You see those diamond cut lines? We put the diamond cut back first. Then we took care of the curb rash. You can see here was rash there, rash there, rash there. We got all rid of the rash. Then what we did was we painted, we taped up the silver. Everywhere where you see silver, the machine finish, we're going to tape it up. Actually, we use three types of tape to make sure our lines are straight. Once we tape up the silver, we drop a silver over the black. We kill the black with a silver. Then we come back and we'll paint it blue. This is the color that the customer wanted. This is the color of his car. We got the color to match the car. Now, this wheel isn't completed as of yet because we still need to clear coat this wheel. But once we clear coat this wheel, it's going to be a candy, syrupy, beautiful finish. I will show you the finished product in the next segment of the video. I just want to show you step 1, step 2, step 3, and then we'll get to step 4. This is why we're the best in Houston when it comes to custom wheel painting. Look at the lines and the craftsmanship of the work here. Everything is nice and straight. There's no jagged lines. It looks as if it came from the factory. This is what we do at HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best.